Your boy's in an art school and it's official. It's official. You know, I'm in an art school. Learning to sketch and learning to draw officially. 4B pencil. And this is a 6B pencil. So we're going to use a 6B. 6B, I believe, is for darker shades. 4B, A chord, but yet you have another note, but it's a higher pitch. So, what causes amplitude is when there's a force.
If you get into phonetics and phonology and linguistics, the physics of sound is inevitable. And from a research scientist perspective, I felt like I was doing myself an injustice because I had no understanding of music. I had no knowledge of music. So here I am speaking on the physics of sound. What is sound? What causes sound? Why do we hear sound? Why sound is a collision of air molecules? Why does, when sound propagates in nature, why does it have amplitude? Why does it have frequency? Why does it have velocity? Why does it have acceleration? Why does it have momentum? Why does sound have momentum? What is the distinction? What is the disparity? What is the